So this is a unboxing of the Jgstkcity Power-Strip. Excuse the wind. This is a very nice Power-Strip for your workshop, for your office. It has a reset button. You can use power plugs with the square cubes here. You have all these plugs. 8 plugs in all, and it wraps around quite nicely. You can make a template by Xeroxing a copy of the back of this and use it as a template. Great idea. Put together very nicely. Can't wait to use it. Please like and subscribe and leave your comments. Do you have one? Do you like it? What do you think of it? Check it out. Thank you. Thank you for looking at my tool reviews.